हैं, कुछ क्लोथ्स जाड़े होते हैं, some clothes are thick, some clothes are thin, some clothes are soft, some clothes are rough, then some clothes are silky. Best example of silky silk clothes are your mother's sari. Tell your mother to give show you a silk sari. अगर आपके मम्मी सिल्क साड़ी है तो मम्मी को बोलो सिल्क साड़ी दिखाने के लिए। अभी का अभी मम्मी को बोलो सिल्क साड़ी दिखाने के लिए। अगर मम्मी के पास एक सिल्क साड़ी है, मम्मी को पूछो सिल्क साड़ी है क्या आपके पास, तो दिखाने के लिए बोलो और उसको टच करो, सिल्क साड़ी को टच करो, देखो कैसे फील होता है, सिल्की सिल्की लगेगा। देखो किसके मम्मी के पास साड़ी है? वेदांत ठीक से बैठो। अनुग्रह, now itself tell your mama to show a silk sari. मम्मी के पास सिल्क साड़ी रहेगा, वो मम्मी को बोलो सिल्क साड़ी दिखाने के लिए, उसको टच करो। यस आरोही, टच दैट सिल्क साड़ी, टच करो, कैसे लगता है? हाउ इट फील्स, हाउ इज द क्लॉथ? क्लॉथ कैसा है? रफ है, थिक है, थिन है? अनम्यूट करो आरोही।
रफ।
सिल्क साड़ी इज रफ?
यस।
आपको रफ लग रहा है?
यस। सिल्क है एकदम,
सिल्क है, थोड़ा सिल्की भी लगेगा नहीं?
हाँ। यस
yes. So when you touch the clothes you will feel how it feels. So, कुछ clothes आपको रफ लगेंगे, कुछ क्लोथ्स थिक होते हैं, कुछ क्लोथ्स थिन होते हैं। ये श्रेष्ठा, उसको टच करो कि मैं टच दैट सिल्क साड़ी, सी हाउ यू फील। थोड़ा सिल्की लगेगा, थोड़ा सॉफ्ट लगेगा, राइट? कुछ क्लोथ्स को टच करोगे आपको सॉफ्ट लगेगा वो।
मम्मीच्या साडी दाखवतात,
अभी सब लोग साड़ी रखो,
साडीच दाखवताय
खेलना नहीं मम्मी के साड़ी के साथ। पुष्कराज, गिव द साड़ी बैक टू मम्मा, आप नहीं पहनने वाले। ओके चलो। So there are different types of clothes, and when we wear that clothes, when we touch that clothes, we feel different. Some clothes are soft, some clothes are thin, some clothes are thick, and some clothes are silky. ठीक है? ये सबको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? मटेरियल बोलते हैं। अलग अलग मटेरियल के क्लोथ। Yes, mute yourself. Who is on mute? Okay. So these are types of clothes which we wear. Okay, how many types of clothes are there? 5 types of clothes are there. Rough cloth, soft cloths, thick cloths, thin clothes. Okay. thick clothes के example क्या होते हैं? The clothes which you wear during winter season. जब भी winter season होता है, बहुत ठंडी लगती है, वो ठंड से बचने के लिए हम लोग क्या कौन से clothes पहनते हैं? Clothes we wear thick clothes. What are the example of thick clothes? Sweater, jacket, gloves, cap, all these are the example of thick clothes. When we wear thin clothes, हम thin clothes कभी पहनते हैं? During summer time. During summer time we wear thin clothes, the clothes which are very thin, which are very soft. Okay, that time we wear thin clothes. Okay, now the clothes which we wear different places and different occasions. ठीक है? First of all, during school, the place like school, in the place like school, will you go and wear night dress? आप स्कूल नाइट ड्रेस पहन के जाओगे सब लोग? नहीं ना, नाइट ड्रेस नहीं पहन के आ सकते स्कूल में. So there is one different cloth to wear when we are in the school. जब भी हम स्कूल में होते हैं हम लोग के लिए अलग एक कपड़े रहते हैं जो हम पहन के जाते हैं. What are they? They are uniforms, जो अभी सब ने पहन के रखा है. Right now everybody is in the uniform. Why? Because you are attending a class in your school, right? So when you are school, you have to wear a nicely ironed, nice, clean uniform. Okay. When we are in the school, we wear uniforms. Then, as I had asked you during night, what you wear? जब भी आप रात को सोने को जाते हो बेड पे, आप यूनिफॉर्म पहन के सोओगे या जीन्स पैंट पहन के सोओगे? नहीं. During night, what you wear a nice comfortable night dress. जो comfortable होती है, that dress is known as night dress. So during night, when we go to the bed, we wear night dress. Then clothes during special occasions. Special occasions कौन से हो सकते हैं? Arvita, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Which are the special occasions when we wear clothes? ऐसे special occasions कौन से होते हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग new clothes buy करते हैं, clothes पहनते हैं, new clothes पहनते हैं?
In birthday.
बर्थडे, किसी का बर्थडे पार्टी रहेगा, आपका बर्थडे रहेगा, आपने पार्टी रखा रहेगा. तो yes, during festivals, and if there is a party in your house, your birthday party is there, तो जिनका बर्थडे होता है उनको नया ड्रेस मिलता है, बर्थडे ड्रेस मिलता है ना. So what are the special occasions when we wear new dress, when we buy new dress? आपका बर्थडे रहता है, आप बोलते हो ना मम्मी पापा को, आज मेरा बर्थडे, मुझे एक नया ड्रेस चाहिए. फेस्टिवल रहता है, दिवाली रहता है, when दिवाली is there, we wear new clothes, shining clothes रहता है, उसमें से बहुत सारा डेकोरेटिव रहता है वो क्लोथ, नहीं उसपे बहुत सारे डिजाइन्स रहते हैं. यस,
वेडिंग में भी पहनते हैं.
वेडिंग में भी पहनते हैं, किसी की शादी होती है तो सब लोग नया नया ड्रेस पहनते हैं. Okay, so these are the clothes which we wear during special occasions. Bright clothes, designer clothes, जो नए नए डिजाइन के आते हैं, नए नए पैटर्न के आते हैं, ब्राइट क्लोथ्स होते हैं, कलरफुल क्लोथ्स. ओके, सो during occasions like birthday, wedding, party, फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, कुछ नया होता है जिंदगी में, some new thing happens in the life, some big event is there in our life, big event is happening, then we celebrate them. And how we celebrate them? By wearing new clothes, designer clothes. Okay, so these are the places and occasions when we wear clothes. And which type of clothes we wear? During school, we wear uniform. If we are going to the school, there is a proper uniform for the school that we have to wear. When we are at home, at night when we'll go to the bed, that time there is other different clothes that we wear during night. When we go to the bed, that is night dress. And when there is a special occasions, when there are festivals, when there is a party in our home, we wear new clothes, special clothes, designer clothes. Okay. Now, चलो, सेश अनम्यूट करो. सेश, सारस अनम्यूट करो सारस.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, open your textbook.
Textbook.
हाँ, ओपन करो टेक्स्ट बुक. पेज नंबर 30. जल्दी जल्दी ओपन करो बेटा.
No. Some clothes are rough while some are soft. Some are thick and some are thin. Some clothes are smooth and silky. The clothes we wear to different places and occasions
पुष्कराज, रीड करने को बोला है बेटा मैंने.
differ. What do you wear to school? You wear uniform to school. We wear night clothes when we go to bed. We wear special clothes during parties, festivals and another occasions.
पढ़ो नेक्स्ट पेज. रुद्र केनी, पढ़ने को बोला है मैंने.
Clothes we wear also vary with the season. We use thin clothes in summer and thick woolen clothes in winter. During the rainy season, we wear clothes which easily dry. We use raincoats when we go out in the rain.
Okay, stop. Okay, so there are different types of clothes that we wear. Some are soft, some are thick, some are rough, some are silky. And what we wear in school, we wear uniforms. In when there is a special occasion, we wear special dress, new dress. And during night, we wear night dress. Now, our clothes, wearing of clothes also changes as the season changes. ठीक है, जैसे season होता है, कितने seasons है? How many seasons are there? आराध्या मोरे अनम्यूट करो. How many seasons are there in a year? कितने seasons होते हैं? Aradhya, how many seasons are there in the year?
What, teacher?
How many seasons are there? How many seasons are there in the year? And spring and सिर्फ 2 ही सीजन है. Winter, spring and
Summer.
Summer, winter, spring, rainy season. Okay, which are the main seasons? Summer, winter and rainy. Right. These are the main seasons. So in India, season keep on changing. In every 3 to 4 months, season changes. अभी कौन सा सीजन है? अभी विंटर था. अभी फेब से जून तक कौन सा सीजन होगा? समर सीजन होगा. राइट. From Feb to May, summer season will be there. So as the season changes, our wearing of clothes also changes. We change our clothes also. ठीक है. पूरे साल हम एक ही टाइप का क्लॉथ नहीं पहनते. In every season we change our clothes. So we'll see which clothes we wear in which season. हम कौन से सीजन में कौन से क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं? फर्स्ट सीजन. पहला सीजन कौन सा है? समर सीजन. So in summer season, which type of clothes we wear? We wear cotton clothes. हम कौन सा क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं समर सीजन में? Cotton clothes. Okay, the clothes which are made up of cotton. Cotton is a material. Okay, why we wear cotton clothes? Cotton clothes are very thin. Cotton clothes are very thin. वो बहुत पतले होते हैं. Air can pass easily inside them. Air can pass easily inside the cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes during summer season? As in summer season, we feel very hot, we feel very humid, so we have to wear the clothes which are very comfortable, through which the air can pass easily. Okay, and cotton clothes, they absorb the sweat. Cotton clothes क्या करते हैं? वो absorb करते हैं, पसीने को absorb करते हैं. They absorb the sweat. So that's why we wear cotton clothes. It's very important to wear cotton clothes during summer season. आप बोलते हैं ना summer season में मैं पैंट और शर्ट टी शर्ट पहन के ही बैठूंगा पूरा दिन. जीन्स, अगर आप जीन्स पहनोगे समर सीजन में कैसा होता है? टाइट होता है जीन्स, पसीना भी बहुत आता है, right? So in summer season we wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes are very thin and air passes through them very easily, and cotton clothes absorb the sweat easily. Understood why we wear cotton clothes? Anugrah, unmute karo.
Yes, teacher.
Did you understood why we wear cotton clothes in summer season?
Yes.
Why? Why we wear cotton clothes? Because cotton clothes are very thin. Repeat after me, Anugrah.
Yes.
Cotton clothes are very thin.
Cotton clothes are
Very thin.
very thin.
Air can pass easily through cotton clothes.
Air can
Pass easily
pass easily
through cotton clothes.
through cotton clothes.
That's why we wear cotton clothes during summer season.
That's why we wear cotton clothes
During summer season.
during summer season.
Now understood why we wear cotton clothes? किम्मे अनम्यूट करो. किम्मे पाटिल अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, teacher.
Why we wear cotton clothes during summer season?
What?
Why we wear cotton clothes during summer season?
Cotton clothes absorb the sweat.
Absorb the sweat. Okay.
Yes.
Cotton clothes absorb the sweat and
Yes.
और क्या है? Cotton clothes absorb the sweat. Cotton through cotton clothes air can pass easily, and cotton clothes are very thin. So we wear thin clothes during summer season. Okay. Now, during winter season, what we do, what we wear? अभी winter season है ना, दिसंबर में जनवरी में। विंटर सीजन में हम क्या पहनते हैं? अभी जो समृद्धि ने पहन के रखा है, we wear woolen clothes, right? From what we get wool? wool हमको कहाँ से मिलता है? सारा अनम्यूट करो।
Yes, teacher.
From where do we get wool?
We get wool from sheep.
We get wool from sheep. So that from that wool, what we make? We make woolen clothes. We make woolen clothes like sweater, cap, gloves, socks. So all these are made up of woolen, and woolen clothes are very thick. आप सब लोग अपना स्वेटर निकालो, सब लोग स्वेटर निकालो, उसको पकड़ो, वो पतला लगता है कि जाड़ा लगता है? So woolen clothes are very thick. So in winter season we wear thick. हम जाड़े कपड़े पहनते हैं विंटर सीजन में. Okay. In winter season we wear thick clothes. Thick clothes, woolen clothes are known as thick clothes. Woolen clothes thick होते हैं, जाड़े होते हैं. Thick मतलब जाड़ा, thin मतलब पतला. पतले कपड़े हम लोग कभी पहनते हैं? समर सीजन में. And when we wear thick clothes during winter season. 10. In rainy season. Rainy season में हम क्या पहनते हैं? To protect ourselves from the water, to protect ourselves, our body from the rain water, what we wear? We wear raincoats. Raincoats are the clothes which can dry easily, जो easily सूख जाते हैं. Gumboots भी easily सूख जाते हैं. ठीक है? So in rainy season we wear clothes which can easily dry, जो easily dry हो जाते हैं. So raincoats are made up of plastic. ठीक है? As they are made up of plastic, they dry easily. वो easily सूख जाते हैं. ठीक है? और रेनकोट पहनने से हमारे बॉडी को भी पानी नहीं लगता. We don't get wet, right? So in raincoats we wear the clothes which can be easily dry, जो easily dry होते हैं. So we wear clothes like raincoats, gumboots, and all these things we wear during rainy season. Okay. अभी रेनकोट आप विंटर सीजन में पहनोगे क्या? अर्विता अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, teacher.
Will you wear raincoats during winter season or summer season?
Yes.
आप रेनकोट समर सीजन में पहनोगे?
No.
नहीं ना. कौन से सीजन में पहनोगे?
Rainy season.
रेनी सीजन में पहनोगे. Why we wear raincoat?
Yes.
Why we wear raincoats? हम रेनकोट क्यों पहनते हैं?
Because they dry easily.
Very good, very nice. Because they dry easily as they are made up of plastic. Raincoat कौन से मटेरियल से बनता है?
Plastic.
प्लास्टिक से बनता है. तो जो प्लास्टिक के जो चीज रहते हैं वो इजीली सूखते हैं. They get easily. That's why we wear raincoats in rainy season.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
during different seasons we wear different clothes. We change our clothes as the season changes. अभी समर सीजन आएगा, मम्मी बोलेगी कॉटन के क्लोथ्स पहनना शुरू करो. विंटर सीजन आएगा, we wear sweater, we wear jacket, we wear cap, and we sit to protect ourselves from the cold. जैसे ही बारिश आएगी, रेनकोट निकलेगा, सब लोग के अम्ब्रेलास निकलेंगे. ठीक है? So as the season changes, our clothes also changes. Understood everybody? सबको समझा? Wait a second. So today we learned what are the different clothes, what are the different types of clothes. They are rough cloth, soft cloth, thick cloth, thin cloth, silky cloths. Okay. Then the clothes that we wear during different days at different places, we wear different clothes, and during different occasions we wear different clothes, right? Chalo. अभी कौन पढ़ेगा? अर्विता अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, teacher.
कम ऑन, स्टार्ट रीडिंग. कहाँ से जहाँ से सारस ने स्टॉप किया था वहां से शुरू करो पढ़ना. पेज नंबर 31. We may use different. Okay. Wait a second. चलो स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ो अर्विता, स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ो.
Lesson number 16. Clothes we wear. Let's learn about different type of clothes we wear. The need for different type of clothes. Clothes in different regions.
राजरत्न
बेटा
टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करो. राजरत्न
our clothes. Think. We wear different type of clothes. Where do we wear clothes? Where do we need different type of clothes? Remember, we wear different type of clothes. To all the clothes that we wear look and feel the same. Some clothes are real, some are soft, some are thick, and some are thin. Some clothes are smooth and silky. The clothes we wear to different places and
occasions.
What do you wear to school? You wear a uniform to school. We wear night clothes when we go to bed. We wear special clothes during parties, festival, and other
Occasion.
uniform, night clothes, party wear. Clothes we wear also vary with the season. We use thin cotton clothes in summer and thick woolen clothes in winter. During the rainy season, we wear clothes which easily dry. We use raincoat when we go out in the rains. Summer clothes, winter
Okay, wait. Stop. Arvita, stop.
Yes.
He only had to read. Okay, good, Arvita. Your reading is very nice. बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा.
Thank you,
सिर्फ
teacher.
थोड़ा पॉज करना सीखो. जहाँ फुल स्टॉप है वहां थोड़ी देर के लिए स्टॉप करो, फिर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस शुरू करो. ठीक है? Understood everybody? We'll do till here only today.